Hey guys! What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello! I'm Dindin and welcome. So today, I would like to share with you guys how I did this makeup look. I used just local and drugstore brands, pero yung magagandang brands, yung magagandang products na mahanap nyo sa Watsons. I swear by these products, hindi porket mas mura sila than high-end ones, ibig sabihin hindi sila nagpe-perform ng maganda. I swear by these products. Ito yung go-to makeup routine ko. Ito kung magmukhang tao, ito yung ginagawa kong makeup look. So, I really hope you guys will enjoy watching. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, please watch until the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yep, let's get into the tutorial. Starting with a clean and moisturized face, I am going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. So, medyo ano kasi itong LA Girl, hindi talaga masyadong kagandaan yung packaging niya. Medyo challenging palabasin yung product, but the quality is really good. At magkano ko lang din to nabibili online, parang nasa, wala pa yata itong 300, so parang around 150 or may nagbebenta ng mga ganong presyo. So lalagyan ko na rin yung eyelids ko. And I'm using a concealer brush. Blend ko lang siya. Lalagay lang ako dun sa parts na mas kailangan kong i-conceal, like itong pimple ko dito. Kunti-kunti lang, huwag masyadong madami, para hindi siya mag-cake up. Tapos blend lang ulit. Everyday, normally, hindi ko naman gusto maging perfect yung skin ko. Like, hinahayaan ko lang kung medyo may mga mag-show through na acne. Kasi, ganyan talaga eh. Tao lang tayo, normal na tao lang tayo. So, alam mo yung, kahit maging fresh ka lang and maging even lang yung skin tone mo, okay na yun para sa akin. Okay, so, I will go with some powder. So, pa-powderan ko lang to. You can use any powder that you have with you guys. I highly recommend yung eyeshadow final powder for setting the base of your makeup. So for some glow, I am going to use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. Pero lalagay ko lang siya dito sa high points of my face. Usually, kung saan kayo naglalagay ng highlight. And ang maganda dito, cream to powder kasi yung formula niya, guys. It really reminds me of yung Benefit What's Up, kung familiar kayo sa product na yun. So, meron na tayong konting glow going on. For the brows, ang gagamitin ko yung Maybelline Fashion Brow. Gamitin ko muna tong wax dito. So, gamit pala ko ng angled brush, yung may spoolie. Nabili ko lang din to sa Watsons, tong brush na to. So, yung wax muna ilalagay ko dito lang sa outer portion of my brows. Kunti lang ilagay. And then, what's left on the brush, lalagay ko dito sa unahan ng brows ko. And then, pagtapos niyan, i-apply ko naman itong gitnang shade. For a softer look, guys, mas okay talaga para sa akin yung powder. Pero, depende rin kasi, maganda rin naman yung mga pencils for everyday. I also do that. Pero sometimes, when I want a really, really softer look, yung more natural, yung parang I woke up like this na kilay. Charot, meron pang ganun. And then I'll do the other side of gown. And I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. So, gawa na yung kilay ko. Now, I'm going in with bronzer. So, I'm using this blush and bronzer duo by Bilena, yung Advance duo nila. Ang shade na ginagamit ko ay yung Summer Fling. So, meron siyang peachy blush and meron siyang bronzer na kasama, kaya cool. Tapos meron pa siyang mirror. So, nakakatuwa lang. So, for the bronzer side, I'm using a big fluffy brush. So, apply ko lang siya dito. Pigmented siya, guys, in fairness. Saan ko lang din ba ito nabili? Parang sa supermarket lang. Parang randomly one day, nag-grocery lang ako. Tapos, napansin ko itong product na to. Binili ko naman. And, no regrets kasi okay siya. For every everyday guys, huwag masyadong mag-contour. Tama na yung bronzer. Bronzer lang na. Ganyan lang. Yung parang ka lang naarawan. Ganun. So, kahit morena ako, mahilig ako mag-bronzer. Wala lang. I feel like it really gives life back to one's face. So, next naman, of course, yung blush. Gagamitin ko rin tong blush na to. A lot of people that I know na hindi masyadong ma-makeup. Sasabi nila madalas sa akin, natatakot silang mag-blush kasi nga daw, parang mukha silang sinuntok. Pero ang technique lang talaga dun guys is, dahan-dahan lang yung paglagay, unti-unti lang. Lagi mo lang itatap yung excess. Ganyan o. So, gusto kong itry yung parang yung Japanese Igari blush o yung ditawag nilang drunk blush technique, yung sa makeup artist ni Nadine Lustre, yung parang dito may blush. So, ayan. Parang papadaanin mo lang yung brush mo dito sa ilalim ng mata mo. Ayan. Yung sinabi nila yung para ka daw nalaseng, para ka daw tumambay sa snow, kahit lang snow dito sa atin. So, ayan. Okay. So, for eyes, hindi naman ako talaga sobrang nag-eyeshadow for everyday. Most of the time, gusto ko lang lagyan ng konting brown or bronzer yung mata ko. So, ginagawa ko itong bronzer. I apply using a crease brush. Dito lang. All over the eye. Lid. You will see, meron siyang parang nakakabuhay na effect din. But you don't have to do this guys kasi minsan kahit kilay lang, lipstick, blush, you can already go. But yun, if you have extra time on your hands, kung gusto mo lang ng may a little extra something, I highly recommend na lagyan mo lang ng konting bronzer yung mata ko. Kung napapansin nyo, di ba meron konting difference na nagawa compared to the other eye. So, parang mas may konti lang life. Now, para lang balanse siya dun sa lower lash sa lower lashes ko, gamit lang ako nitong medyo flat brush. Gagamitin ko ulit yung bronzer. Just apply ko lang siya dito. So, para lang medyo magbalanse lang yung look natin. But again, this is optional guys for everyday. If this is too much for you, don't have to do it. Now, for a little bit of more oomph. Nagmamaskara ako paminsan pag sinisipag ako. So, gamit lang ako ng eyelash curler. And then, I'm using another favorite local brand of mascara, yung Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. So, isa to sa mga favorites ko. Una ko tong nakita kay Miss Michelle D. Yung mga early YouTube days niya, ito yung madalas na ginagamit niya for a local mascara. And up to now, yun, naging favorite ko na rin siya. This is not waterproof, guys. Pero hindi siya nagsismudge. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. And the best thing about it, dahil hindi siya waterproof, madali siyang bugasan. Actually, pwede nyo skip yung paglalagay ng shadow sa eyes eh. Pwede kayong, you can go straight to mascara if you want. Kasi mascara lang, minsan buhay na talaga yung eyes natin. To highlight, so I'm using the Bilena Advance Glow Out Highlighter in Candlelight. Ganda nito guys. Fairness siya. Tama na naman oh. Diba? So, ang maganda sa golden undertone na highlighter, it really suits yung mga morena skin. So, apply ko lang using my brush earlier. So, apply ko lang siya dyan. Now guys, if you don't want shimmer or highlight on your skin, you can skip this step. And now for the lips, meron akong favorite na matte lipstick na na-discover ko din sa Fashion 21. It's their matte permanent lipstick. Cute siya, twist up form, tapos ang shade na to ay Fudge Mousse. So parang nasa 175 lang yata to. Murang-mura guys. And to me, it's my perfect nude. Maglalagay lang ako ng highlight sa brow bone ko. little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. And now guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, very simple looking lang siya, fresh, perfect for everyday. So this is how I do my everyday makeup using my favorite local and drugstore brands. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!